Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create channel on WhatsApp. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that your WhatsApp is updated because this is a new feature. Now open the app. Go to the Updates section. Here you will see many channels. Now, if you want to create your own channel, tap on the plus icon. Here you will see two options: Find Channels or Create Your Channel. Tap on Create Channel. Now follow these instructions. Tap on Agree and Continue. Now you can create your channel. Name your channel. Then give a little description of your channel. Now add a profile picture. After doing all these steps, tap on Create. This is how you can create a channel on WhatsApp. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.